I saw another man in TikTok saying that your fame will fade. Your fame will not fade. This favor is not a short-term thing. And because God has anointed your head in your family, may you deliver this family from the yokes of poverty. Nothing shall humiliate you so that you give up. You are the hope of your Father. Listen to the voice of your Father. He is not only calling you your son. This son is calling you my brother. In you, he found not only a son, but a brother. Never leave your father. His blessing is bestowed upon your head. It was not in vain to be near him. I lived with my ailing father. I know the price that you paid. May that price open doors for you. Not only locally, may they demand you internationally. This is my prayer for you, Kaluma. I will remind you the words of Isaac to Jacob. That even when the sun will burn the land, you will receive the dew of heaven. May you never lack a harvest in your life. May the script in your destiny favor you. May you become big because of your family. May people now start pointing fingers at your home, calling you people blessed and not poor people. Calling you people blessed and not the sons and daughters of an ailing father. Kaluma, you are blessed. Continue loving God. Continue hiding yourself in the Lord. Continue praying and continue loving your parents. The star has just started to shine. In Jesus' name.